Wow. Wow, guys. So sorry. Good morning, guys. So sorry. I friggin' bombed that just now. Sorry that I didn't turn on the mic. I think yesterday, Slime, when you and I went on, that's when I muted it. But so basically, the call out was longs at this pullback for SPY, and I'm already out. Damn. Slime, I hope you probably could have seen that because we had the 1 hour bullish and the 15-minute was bullish. So we had the triple threat set up. The only thing I did not like about this was we were at supply. Sorry, guys. James VRS, thanks again for the heads up, though. I think we have a trending possible day. It's just too high right now to kind of like touch this unless you're ready to take a push play. Now, I never really call push plays, but basically this red line is your push play line. So the market is pushing during an acceleration mode, and an entry below that line, your expectation, your absolute expectation is that the market's going to close higher than the previous candle on the 5-minute. You do not want to see them really go back to the money zone, but you can take another entry here, and then I don't know where your stop would be, maybe here, but that's a lot of room. So right now it looks like it could work because this candle closed above, this candle didn't close above that one, so it's losing steam up here, but hopefully this candle pushes back up. Now you can apply that for any time frame. The 1 hour is pushing, the 15 minutes pushing. So your entry is ideally down here with a move back above the next candle, right? You just needed to close above that one. Now we have the right setup for it. Look at this thing. Just ramp up from 162 back to 218 off of a bounce. Now I don't know where we are in terms of, all right, so yeah, we're just pushing highs again on this 5-minute chart. So it was a decent like push play entry for a quick scalp, but you could hold this until we break above. The only thing is with options, they friggin' come down, bro. You're gonna see this contract, because this is SPX, just get punched. However, even the contract is in a, like this was an ideal entry at the money zone for this contract, right? At a demand line for the contract. That's crazy. So this is your demand line for the contract. We broke above it now, so maybe that'll give you some idea of what that push play is like. But it's super fucking dangerous, so I don't call it. But it's good to know. It's good to know what that setup is like. We also have a 15-minute supply line forming up here, so this is going to be a tough zone to beat. The 5-minute looks like it's trying to get straight up there. Hey, bud.
Yo.
What's good? What's
What?
good?
Call it out. 'Cause I was there for a minute. I didn't hear you.
You didn't hear me call it out?
No.
You probably just left because I told them. I was like, guys, I'm taking this triple threat long for this SPY pullback. I didn't want that first candle because that shit ripped. And the
For
contract.
sure.
Yeah, but I ended up getting in at 105. So the contracts went from 79. Oh my God. Did we dump? Because that was not that big of a pullback.
I mean, like, nowhere we haven't been yet.
Right, so it's bouncing right back up too. That's a good little money zone grab, probably.
I've been short since the very top. So, like, I've been positive. I've been, like, 2% negative.
Watch
So,
out.
it's like, my spot is really good. So, I don't have to worry about anything.
Yeah.
And I was thinking about, like, putting on the flat. No, it'll just fuck up my trade. Or just, like, rock with what I have.
That spike
And I
back.
know it should bounce. I'm just waiting for it to bounce to get out because my break even is literally at the top.
Yeah, it's breaking out now. Or it's getting some volume back to the upside now. Damn, they brought that contract back to 131 and then just went right. Oh shit. It was that money zone bounce, bro.
Yeah.
You gotta wait for that 15 minutes to get straight so you don't get caught in this bullshit.
I was waiting for that money zone bounce, but then with this last candle, they brought that money zone way higher. So then it was already there.
Got you.
I hear you.
Yeah, I think once you see a triple threat, bro, try to program your brain to only wait for that setup because you'll be fucking just, kind of jumping the gun trying to take the reversal. So that reversal trade is it has good rules.
Mm-hmm.
And we have supply at 417.93. We get up there, we might see some smoke, but until then, this market is ripping. I'm fucking upset, bro. I had that Amazon trade, went 100%, bro. Shit is at like 170 something on the contract.
Mm-hmm.
And it's still probably ripping. Let me see. Futures, active trader. Yeah, look at Amazon, bro. 118. I had a 115 fucking contract, bro. Tesla's going batshit, bro.
Why?
I have no idea. Elon came out with I saw news about FDA approving his Neuralink.
Huh?
The FDA approved the Neuralink.
Oh, for real?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
Cyborg's coming up.
I don't know if I'll ever do that shit, bro.
Feel you. Looks like your level might trigger. It's just you might have got in a little too early, man.
Yeah, I'm pissed off because I know it's gonna come back down.
Maybe.
But the 60-minute 2 deviation and 5-minute 2 deviation, so I took it. But I took it like right when it hit it, so I could get a good break. But they tried doing like a 3-bar shit.
Right. Hey, YouTube, I'm going to go ahead and share a link so you guys can probably hop into Discord if you want to. Ask any questions live. Here you go, right here. Yeah, so if you guys just want to jump in there, from time to time, we just kind of break away from the group. And, because I know you guys mentioned that you barely could hear me and there's a lot of chatter going on in the other group because they're all taking different trades. I only trade SPY most of the times, NQ, QQQ, or ES. So it'll probably be more aligned with the title of the show. Man, this SPX contract is whips on.
Why did you take SPX?
I wanted to just capitalize on the setup. We had a triple threat. The idea was we had the first pop, and I'm like, look, I'm gonna put a tight stop, probably lose like 30, 40 cents on this and just call it a day, but I wanna make at least 60 to 90, 60 to like 90 cents on this shit. So when it pulled back after hitting a high of 118. I got in at 105. It dropped to 81. So that was within my 30-cent range. I was like, oh, thank God. And then it just started fucking ripping. But I just took SPX. You know, occasionally I can play around with it. But if I had taken SPY, I'd probably still be in the trade. Because I would have gotten an in-the-money contract, right, on SPY.
Man,
look at Amazon, bro. I'll be right back. Oh, Lua, 118 on Amazon, bro.
crazy.
Fucking A, dude. Let's see if the smoke comes in now or if they're going to just blow right through this thing. Apple, ES, everything is still just kind of blowing to the upside. Crazy.
All right, looking at this.
Oh boy. Uh-oh. 5 minutes trying to catch some smoke up here. You got a call, bro? What time you going in?
What happened? What do you mean?
To work.
I'm not working today.
Damn, you calling out already, bro?
Boss went to the Keys.
You what?
Boss went to the Keys.
Boss went to the Keys.
Yeah.
Shit. You didn't ask him for an invite?
It's taking me. Yeah, I don't go back to Wednesday. Monday's holiday, Tuesday he's still gone.
Oh shoot, I gotta log in today. Friggin' had the friggin' mute button on this morning as I was doing a pre-market show, bro. Silly. Silly goose, bro. Nah, this market is out of control. NQ just went 100. see, from the lows, 55 to 190, 40 points, and smoking. That's it. She's gone. Watch this contract pop like crazy. 255. Shit. All right, we hit 417.93. Definitely take profit. Oh boy, she's breaking 270 on the contract. Jesus Christ, another 200% right here. Oh my God.
Oh. Oh. Hello?
Yo,
Can you hear me this whole time?
I heard you say "oaf" or some shit like that.
I can saying yo.
Yeah, what's up?
Hear me now?
Yeah, I hear you.
Alright. I put your name for a professional reference for application.
Yeah. Bro, I don't even know you like that, bro.
And senior trader.
Put me down as a senior trader.
And what should I put?
I don't know. Just feel honored.
Main trader? Oh, CEO? FO?
Oh, you talking about like my title?
Yeah. Founder.
Yeah, you can put that.
Trader. Is it just for the city of Miami? Commissioner's office. You got an email that's not your boy?
Yeah, J.Ceballos22.
A dot Ceballos?
Yeah, 22 at Yahoo.
Is you right?
Yeah, J.Ceballos, CEBALLOS 22 at Yahoo.
CEBALLOS, right?
Mm-hmm. 22 at Yahoo. And I remember when I was trying to like understand supply and demand, and I was telling this dude like, yo, what do? Do you just put your freaking order at supply and just kind of wait for the market to come down? You just put your order at demand. You never get a fucking clear answer from people. That's like the wildest thing. So just to answer that question for you guys, like I think there's two ways the market can move away from a supply or demand line. It's either going to V-shape away from it, or it's going to double top, or triple top, or quadruple top. But I can't tell you which one it's going to do. However, I would not just put my order in at supply and hope the market rejects it. You would be in on this, but you might just be in for it to bounce up again. So, you know, a V-shaped setup, let's just say on this 5 minute, if it breaks this level here, you get in and put your stop above that if you believe the V shape is how you're going to start entering supply or demand. A double top is you'll let the market come down, probably bounce off that money zone, come up again and retest that level. And if it fails and starts shooting down with a wick, even if it breaks out and starts shooting down with a wick, you got to get it at risking the previous swing high. But you have to have a stop established somewhere. So I hope that makes more sense than just like the unclarity that most people have. But this is an old 1 hour looks like supply line, so we should see some smoke, but you don't want to get ahead of a triple threat that's pushing. Like, this thing is moving. So they broke the push phase here, and now they're reigniting it. So you want to see these candles kind of break out and keep on going crazy for the bulls. For those trying to take the shorts here, yo no sé, papá. Yeah, so let's see if we get that. I mean, it still didn't even move away from that with some force. I'm sure on a 2 minute it looks like that it did, but yeah, this thing looks like it's gonna break out. Fucking contracts keep bouncing at the money zone. 207 was the next entry. Shit shot right back up to 263. Next breakout is 282 if we get above this candle. This thing gonna be at $4, bro. Ah, SPX, you're driving people crazy. Oh, bad guys, you can't even see this 1 hour. Oh, it broke out. Yup, this shit gone, bro. Let's see if we reject again. Hey, boo. You got your running shoes.
Huh?
You got your running outfit.
This is not a running outfit. These are my pants. I was sleeping. Lola had a 9 a.m. appointment for her annual vaccine as well as check. Walk together. I was too. Because I felt like really bad about last night. I did, babe. I just want to match your energy. Like, you don't be tired. I'm tired as fuck. I don't know why. Just, but then I don't want you to be like, oh, no, it's
Well, I mean, I already told you how I felt.
exactly. I'm about to lose my mind. You crazy?
No, but like, I also tell you that Neighbors. Holy shit. Bruh, $5 on the contract?
Yeah, bro, I saw the daily. Yesterday you said we missed the money zone, bro. We opened at the same spot. Like, I felt like looking at the daily, maybe it could go to the top of where we were, like 421. And it seems that's what they're doing. I mean, like, we're $3 away now. You hear me?
Yeah.
Yesterday was bouncing off the bottom of the money zone. Today it was off the top, the 8 of me.
Damn, whoa, bro. Jeez, McGuire, bro. This is a perfect trending day. See, getting away from the chart, going to talk to my neighbors just now, I'd have been up some sick. 500%. No, 400 so far, right? 100 to 5, yeah. $420, we coming back for you, bro. I'm so sad. Look at Amazon at $418.40. Microsoft busting out the window. Apple busting out the window. Tesla was a good little flag trade to the upside. Look at Google. Let me see one more thing. So look at the volume on SPY, bro. 1 hour. This current bar right here is fucking 218% larger than the last 30 bars in volume. 5 million buyers, bro. 281,000 sellers. You kidding me, fam? $6.30 on the contract now. Did you catch a pullback on this thing?
I've been responding to people's emails.
Oh, got you. I'll be right back. You guys seeing this friggin' explosion?
Yeah, man, that's that's crazy.
I seen this type of day before when I was afraid to take a flag after we broke into supply. Today I wasn't afraid. I took that 104 entry. Contracts are at 660, bro. They're about to be a friggin' $9 if this thing keeps going.
Nice, man. Did you scaling out or?
I got out of there at like from 105 to like 195. I got out.
Oh, okay. I still a solid trade though.
Yeah, I mean, shit, for what it's worth, because after it hit 190, it hit 230, and then came all the way back down to 126, and then that was the explosion it had, which is crazy because I would take a 126 entry if the next leg up is gonna be like this, you know, like. So yeah, I don't know.
Right.
This is just insane. 720 on the contract, bro. This shit went 700% just now. Seven 763. 759%. The fucking one day that I decide to hold, this never happens. That's crazy. You know, some days in my mind I'm like, yo, I'm fucking holding this contract, fuck it, you know, yada yada yada. But look at this, bro.
Yeah, where was your target to?
My target was 418 on SPY, because that was the next supply line. But on that move up, let's just say the 940 candle on a 5 minute, I got the hell out of there on that momentum. I usually sell into strength.
Oh, right, okay.
So we got close enough, 417.18. Whole, you know, it was a good 80 cents more before I had to get out. And all they did was flag to the right and then went up. But during that flag, the contracts went from 230 back down to 120. It lost 100% of its value on that flag pullback. But this is what I teach with options. If you see the market making the right structure, but the contracts get punched, take that pullback, because if structure kicks back in, you're going to see the contract IV come right back.
Right.
Yeah, it's just an option thing, but I don't think you trade options, right?
No, I used to, but yeah, not anymore.
Yeah, it's definitely something worth understanding and learning on options, because sometimes you can buy an inflated value and then a pullback happens that makes you lose. Like, let's just say you got in at $2 and you went up to 230, and then you see price go all the way down to 120. Bro, that's a big hit. So, only to find out that if you held, you'll be up to 720, bro. If you sold that contract on that pullback and then you see this 720, it's gonna fuck you up. You're gonna...
Yeah, I can imagine. Yeah, it'd be definitely more difficult to hold through.
Right. Here comes a decent pullback.
That's what I liked about them, because I rarely bought them. I usually just sold them like with covered calls, and I always like that part about it, just because when you're selling for the premium, the faster it decays, the better. So that part I always liked, but once that IV kicks back in,
Yeah. You just gotta. I think with options, the more I trade SPX or any options, the more I realize that go cheap. Like, options were meant to be hedged against your actual equity position, right? So let's just say you were long on SPY and the market started coming back down. If you bought like a 30-cent contract last week or in the beginning of the week, puts, that whole down move would have pretty much covered. You would have made money while you were still holding your equity. But with a 30-cent contract, I can guarantee you that shit went nuts during those 2-day drops. If that makes any sense. So, I say all that to say, it's like the idea is to go cheap, because if it goes to the floor, you don't care about losing $30. But during that drop, you just made like over 100, like over 1,000, because it dropped for like 2 days, and it wasn't no small drop. That was a 10-point drop from 420 down to 410.
Yeah, those small options would be worth a lot then.
Hell yeah. Nobody thinks the market's gonna drop 10 points after a rally like that.
Because once contracts go in the money, right? Doesn't their premiums increase a lot?
A lot. Shit. On SPX, bro. Look, I had 420s, 40. I got them right here. 4205s on SPX, right? And I bought them when the market was at 415. So let me see. SPX right now. Yeah, if it goes into money, it's gonna go bananas. So,
man, you wasn't up in here when I just took that NQ trade where you sparked.
No, I just came back.
Man, I took a trade. I got in this thing on that 1022 candle.
Yeah.
I got filled at 14,179. I bought this because I'm like, this could be a trend all day.
Mm-hmm.
So I moved my stop where I figured it would come back to for the trend to keep going.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't move my target. This thing leaps up and hits my target like in 2 seconds.
Yeah, that pop that just happened.
Man, so I'm in at 179. I get out at 186. What's that? That's 7 points.
Damn, bro.
On 2 contracts. So that's what, $35?
Damn, bro.
And now this thing is at 14,222. How many points is that?
It's insane. 7 to
That's like
30 some points.
like 50 points.
And it's still blowing. Yeah.
And it's still going.
On NQ, it has an ATR of 200, bro. Think big when you enter NQ. Always keep your stop, because I love your stops, especially on the setup. But think big.
But I knew my stop was gonna be so tight. So I got it, let me see, 14,225. And I was in at 14,179 minus 14,179. 50 points.
Yep.
I would be up $500.
Yep.
Ah, that's
You took NQ or MNQ?
MNQ.
Oh, okay. Yeah. On 2 contracts,
Is it $5 or is it $2?
it's $2.
Okay, so I'd be up $200 right now.
That's usually what I go
that's-
for.
That sucks, man.
Yeah, 60 points on MNQ is nothing. Just remember that. 200 ATR, bro. This thing will wipe through 60 points like it's nothing. So like 8 points, 10 points. Just think big when you're in NQ, but keep your stops. Your stops are your stops, and I like them, especially for this.
Because my thing is, I could take that tight stop and just find another entry if that one didn't work. That's why I was saying, like, I could take a lot of $10 stabs to hit the big lick.
Yeah, so what I'm saying is, like, once you have your stop set up and you enter the trade, once the market moves away from you, like, don't put a target yet, because they will lick you only to keep going, especially on this ladder that they're doing. They're just pausing, going, pausing, going, pausing, going.
Yeah, but I'll put a target in that's like way out of the way, like on this, like say $500 or something crazy.
Exactly.
Where I think it'll be where I think the next area of resistance is gonna be at. So like on this one, there is no resistance for the next 10 days. I got a 10-day, 30-minute chart pulled up. No resistance. Let's go with an hourly. A 20-day hourly, no resistance. So I would just have it out of the way. But man, that sucks.
Yeah,
I'm almost
that's
to
the only-
jump back in and just do one contract and put a target or put my stop out of the way. But I kind of need a pullback back down to the 9 moving average.
Yeah, that's the only way you're gonna get like this kind of opportunity where your exit is so far out of the way, and then once you see them push like this and you satisfied with that 50 point, 60 point move, you start trailing that thing. But
Yeah. Bar by barring it or something like that with it.
yeah, or whatever it comes back to and breaks the speed line, kill it.
But man, that just sucks. I left so much money on the table today. It's ridiculous. You wouldn't believe how much money I left on the table.
Oh my brother, this is every day for. I was in at 105. Contracts hit 720. $700 today, and I took out 95.
Yeah, this is ridiculous, man.
And I didn't touch this friggin' momentum on my futures contract. I didn't take it. Once this shit starts going like this, I'll be afraid to enter. But I think I'm loving your setup where there's no need to fear. Just enter with a nice tight stop.
Now see, MES is set up nicely right here for me. I do like this pullback. I'm kind of missing it though.
Evan, so I got in on that contract when SPX was at 41.64. Right now, it was a 42.05. We're about to be in the money. We're at 41.99, and this thing will just zip through 205 with no problem. So I'm like four points away from being in the money. Once that look, this contract about to hit $10. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy.
I can't believe we had such a strong day today. Did any like news come out? I know we had like consumer sentiment and some like core PCE, but
shit, this was straight structure. We broke out of the previous day high, and the market just didn't have anything else. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I just grabbed. Now this one I'm gonna chase because I think I'm in a little aggressive on ES.
This is fucking crazy.
What's ES? 1 point is $1. I mean $5.
Yes, sir.
So I'm gonna lock in 2 points because I'm already up 4 points. Yeah, this is crazy. So I'm good with that. I'll lock that in.
4202, marksman. 4205. This contract is gonna go crazy once it's in the money.
Nothing. Nice little quick pop right there. Ah, nice. Look at that. That was a perfect exit.
It didn't drop too bad. Not yet.
Yeah, but you gotta figure I was up 4 points in that quick move.
Yeah.
Risking 1 point. So that was 4R that I was up. I got out making 2R.
Bro, you could have taken any stock today and shit is just going crazy. Google, Nvidia, AMD, Amazon, Meta, Microsoft, Apple. Everything is going crazy.
Yeah, it's crazy. It's bonkers.
Airbnb, oh my God.
You can almost buy the high and it keeps pushing.
Now I know it's crazy. Netflix, Shop is about to go crazy. It's lagging. BlackRock, oh my God. Everything is up almost 2% from open.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Oh my God, I had that fucking contract on Amazon.
And I got out of that darn ES contract right there because it made a nice pop and it's still ripping.
Yeah, I should have taken another contract on Chewy because it's ripping today.
Oh, there go the flush on ES.
Oh, good exit. Back to the buy zone. LMD, you don't have this indicator here, but check this thing out. I don't think you care about super trends, but check this thing out.
Yeah, there's the flush. There's the flush. But I like that flush on MNQ right here though. To keep playing the trend.
Yeah, I'm chilling.
Yeah, I took that pullback on Apple, holding for that 2R, but it just flushed back down, hit my stop loss.
Was it
You
a
had
tight
15
stop
in
loss?
line there?
It was to the low of that pivot.
How high was how tight of a stop did you have?
So I entered at 34 and I risked it to the low of that pullback in 1 minute to 24 and that low of the 20 EMA as well.
Or
Yo,
a 15-minute line or no?
stand by. All right, I'm fucking doing something else. It probably won't be straight. That would be the first thing that caused it. But they've been trying to stop this since SPY hit 418. So let me tell you right now. Give me 1 sec. Yeah, we got a 15-minute line up there, but it's not straight. This candle right here, if it keeps flushing, it might make it straight. So you'll be taking like a V-shaped drop, risking the highs in a push phase, bro. Same thing, same exact shit as before. Tough. But the 1 hour line is coming in too. Holy crap! Yeah, we might have reached the ceiling. LMD, you see that chart I just posted?
Where you posted it?
In your daily trade ideas.
Uh-huh.
So when we crossed over, I think you took that trade when we were above the 50 white line on MES. You took that trade and caught that pop up, and then that was like the 9 o'clock when we were talking. Once that cross happened, we didn't quite break the pre-market highs, but you see that green, that red big line that turned green, and then it put red targets at the top.
Mm-hmm.
So that's your super trend indicator right there. So once they crossed over to the other side, I think what I'm going to do is look for your setup where if the blue is above the green and we have a super trend bullish, I'm looking for entries as close to that white line as possible, swing low as, and then you're supposed to put your stop at that green super trend band and then try to hit targets up top. And look how this thing blew through 3 targets, bro. And it's pivoting right now at the 3rd target.
Yeah, that's sweet.
Yeah, but this thing could just keep, your stop is supposed to be trailing along that green line. Or if you have another indicator that stops you out, like if the blue crosses the green, get the fuck out of there, right? Because things can get hairy. But generally, that green line that's trailing the market below, if you put your stop now from where you got in down there, your new stop is like 41.92 on this trade. And you could just ride this trend as high as possible, bro. But you got to be willing to lose a lot, right? If they come all the way back down. 4210 to 4192. It's almost 19 points that you would lose. Shit. But you got to think, you took it from 4166. So you're locking in about 35, 40 points if they hit your stop. And you're giving the market enough room to continue on the super trend to the upside.
Yeah, that's basically, I'm in a trade right now. And I was risking 20 points.
Mm-hmm.
I'm up 1 R on it right now. I'm up $40.
Mm-hmm.
So now I just take my stop to break even. Wow, it's going. I'm gonna lock in. Oh yeah, we doing it. Oh yes, come on, baby. I'm in MNQ right now. I'm trailing my stop behind it. I'm not gonna give up too much of this profit.
Damn, MNQ is just, this shit don't.
I'll look for another move like that. Stop film. I'm out of it. Let's go. Let's go.
Buddy,
All I did was waited on it to get down there to the now I had to give this one extra room. I'm gonna tell you how I traded this one. I got in on the 1044 candle.
Yeah.
When it broke that candle was 10 points. But to get down to the 9 moving average was another 10 points. So that's why I risked 20 points.
Mm-hmm.
To like give that the range in case it wanted to, because if you notice, it's pulled back to the 9, but it hadn't broke it.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, I'm gonna trade this. I'll snap a picture real quick. I'm gonna trade this with the anticipation that this could go against me and go to the 9, but it's not gonna break the 9.
Man, if you trade NQ like that, not MNQ, bro, you be up crazy on them little points, because you're basically just scalping every push to the upside.
That's all I'm doing. I'm basically taking what it's giving me. Now I could have maybe tried the 2-minute bar by bar that on out,
Mm-hmm.
but I'm like, I don't want to give back none of that money. I'm up $75 on a $40 stop, so I'm up 2R. I don't want to give back none of that.
No, that's solid.
So that's kind of why I managed that one the way that I did.
Oh.
Yes, I just posted that chart. So the MNQ is the one that's below it,
Mm-hmm.
like lower. Look at how it's been riding the 9 moving average.
On the 2-minute, yeah.
So because I got in well above it, I had to give it room down to it. So I knew I was risking $40 in that trade.
Sexy.
Yeah.
Look at
and
this thing just trailing, bro. Just grinding. Nice little ladders. Consolidation flag pop. Consolidate flag pop.
The chart that scares me is look at that 15-minute to the right on my chart. Just straight up green candles.
But that's actually not a bad, like, so this is in a push phase, and that's why you see like that kind of push happening. As soon as that next opening candle gets below the previous candle, you got to enter you know, with a risk of maybe that entire candle, which is crazy far, but now you're going to go for 2R. And again, we don't know if this market's going to push like this, but that's kind of the only way to enter a push phase. Like there, because if you wait for a pullback to the 9, you're never getting that.
Yeah, but see, like right now, like you can take this trade. Let's see. So the 9 moving average is 14,235. You could kind of take this risking 10 points and try to catch the low like you do. But see, I'd rather wait on this candle to close and then take the break of the candle to go higher. I think I'd impress my luck though. I don't want to try no more. But I think this still would be another good trade when this candle closes and then the next one breaks the high of it. Because that's the confirmation. Man, I'm so tempted to jump back in this thing.
Close it down.
Order film. Too late.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna keep this one with a very tight stop though. Let's see. Where does my stop need to be? 36. How much am I risking?
About 10 points.
So, yeah, I could do that. And again, as soon as this pops, like, I'm chasing.
Yes, sir. I got a 15-minute supply line coming in across the market, so you should expect some hesitation here now. This is just bonkers, bro. $8.90. I told you this contract's gonna hit $10. ES is not fucking done. There you go. There she goes. Good close on that candle for you, bro.
I need it to break. It needs to break 14,250. Stop the break even. I can't lose on the trade now. I got, ooh. Come on, let's go. Let's see if we can get back up to the high. I'm locking in profit. I'm good. Profit's locked in. I would like to see this push. I'm out. Film.
This is definition of a trend day.
Yeah, no problem. I got out of that early too. I should have waited to see how it reacted to the high. I should have waited to see how that reacted to 14,259. So I got out of that early. I left a little bit, but that was another solid little pop right there. That's all I got to do, man, is just nickel and dime this market. Watch it. If it breaks 14,259, it's shot again.
Oh, you left that. Another 10 points.
I know. And I was in 2 contracts.
Yeah, bro. You ain't have to worry about this shit. This is insane today.
Order filled.
You shorting that?
Nah, I got a very tight stop, like 1 point. Actually, I'm sorry. Nope, I'm about to stop out. That was my stop.
Yeah, that's the highs. I wouldn't touch that up there, but that pullback, you know, that's my game right there.
Yeah, I blew that when I hit the button. Still like it though, but it kind of set an even high. I won't do 2 right here. I'm trying to see what that candle was.
This shit is crazy. I need to really start doing this type of trade right here. So we cross above that, cool. We get back above that.
I'll be back.
Take the trade and hit the target. I think I like this. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. All right, let me write this rule down for
I need to
futures.
just buy one and just let it trend.
This is crazy, bro. Yeah, man, this trading shit really messes people up. One day you thinking we're gonna just chop, the shit trends. You can't enter the trend because you think you're gonna enter at highs. The shit keeps trending. The next day you come in, you're like, all right, I'm gonna enter this because it might trend. Then it chops. This is crazy.
If it breaks a new high, it's on and popping again.
Yeah, SPY is fucking at 421, 419.55. Next pop, we're breaking through 420.
Hey guys, I gotta head out. Gotta pack for a trip this weekend. But I'll catch you guys on a Tuesday.
For sure,
All right,
bro.
have a good weekend.
All right, you too, man. See you guys.
Yeah.
Oh man, fucking Amazon, bro. Oh, that's so sexy. It's fucking ain't right. It fucking ain't right. Chart.
All right, I'll see you on the films.
Partial. Oh my God, 119 on Amazon. Oh,
Just got out of that bad boy, locking in some profit and watch it keep freaking running again. Oh, wow. My Amazons have came back alive. Thank you, Lord Jesus, for saying that.
yeah, bro. That shit is
I've
going.
been Amazons that expired today. They were worthless.
Which one you had?
I got 526 120s.
520. The one. Yeah, you got the money now.
Yeah, they alive. That's why I say they didn't got back green.
526. Bro, I had 115s, 526 yesterday.
Do you want to know where these opened at this morning? 3 cents.
Jesus.
At 41 cent now.
Where'd you get them?
Like 53 cents.
Yeah, you need to. That's a recovery mission right there. Salvage.
Man, I'm about to put a stop up in here and just take a small L.
Or just hold that shit. I mean, yeah, a pullback could really fuck you up, but 420 is right there. I don't think you're gonna lose value like that. 420s is at 71 cents, bro. Oh no, I'm looking at SPY. I'm looking at the wrong thing. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm at 526 120s. They expired today. I've been holding these forever too, like a couple of weeks.
Oh my God. I had fucking 115s. They're at $4.80, dude. Sold these fucking things yesterday for 70 cents, buying at 103.
And they expired today?
Yep.
See, these were down so much that I couldn't sell them. It was like, at 3 cents, what sense does that make to sell that? Like, just go ahead and
Take
that
that
L.
out. Yeah, no, that makes sense. Fuck, bro. I don't swing, so that's what. If I knew I had one more day on these things, I don't even know how I'd have reacted, but I probably would have held that shit. But I was down, bro, like $80. I'm like, let me cut this shit before this thing goes worthless. On 2
See, if
contracts.
it can crack 120, I wonder how much will that make these contracts go by so I can get out possibly green.
What's the delta? Right now your delta is 44 cents. Yeah, no, you're gonna be at 80 cents.
Let's see. Yeah, it's 1 away from the money too.
Yeah, there.
So it would go up to like 73 cents.
Yeah, there.
Because I'm figuring it's gonna jump just like it's like a 30-cent jump. So at least 60-something cents.
Yeah, you're gonna get out of that shit green, bro. Look at this. Pop again on fucking Oh,
That's
shit.
oh,
Stop it.
these apples I got, they gonna expire worthless. Apple sucks, man.
Yeah,
And I'm in.
she's having a
That's,
good rally today too, no? Look at
huh?
that. Look at that pop Apple just had. This shit rallying.
Yeah, but I'm in 180 contracts.
Bro, you about to get lucky today. Today is not normal.
What is Apple at? Nah, I need Apple. Apple would have to go $5 to even get me back possibly green. It ain't gonna do that.
Watch her whip and Nene, bro. It already broke through. I said, watch her whip and Nene. She already broke through the $2.63 ATR she has going that high. So maybe she stalls, but this market's not going. She's going parabolic.
Yeah, it's definitely ripping. I ain't gonna doubt you on that. But yeah, I didn't have no inclination that I can get out of this Amazon
Here she comes.
close to break even.
Here she comes.
It needs to get this 15 cents out the way.
Yes, sir.
That would be so sweet.
Yo,
I don't even know where to put my stop at now, just in case this goes against me. Cause I'm basically up like $80 from when this thing opened today. Man, it's trying to hit 120. Come on.
ay, 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 ay.
And Q is kind of
8 cents
the go.
away. I can't fucking believe it. $4. Bro, when I tell you I be having some sick ass trades. But holding ain't my stack, bro.
Yeah, we may be seeing some slowdown in the NQ because we got 2 red candles in the last 10 minutes. We hadn't had 2 red candles in a 10-minute session in a few hours.
Yeah, she's pulling back into, oh shit, here you go, brother. 7 cents away.
Yeah, I got my hand on the sell button.
Yeah, just let that thing go.
Because I think if it cracks 119, 120, it's going to spike. Trying to look at, ooh, a big order just came in at 190, at 95 cents, and they got 8 right through. There go another one at 99, got 8 through.
There it goes.
Yeah, those sell orders are getting killed right now.
Amazon. 120. Boom! $5 I had this.
Spark, was the line straight, bro?
Stand by.
Yeah, it's a lot of sellers on the ash now.
It's straight now. This 15-minute candle. You got to watch out for a push up though. It could break it. It's only the second straight line. And the 1 hour this is a new 1 hour candle. So yeah, the 1 hour looks like it's trying to get straight up here too. So we might see a nice, still decent curl. If you want to, definitely.
I like how the NQ is looking right here.
For long.
It's set up for a nice, yeah. What's that candle? Of course, for me, it got to break it. But that candle is a 15-point candle. Breaking the high of 257.75, so call it 258. I think if it broke that up, but it's flushing back down. It needed to hold that top and tail. That bottom and tail.
All right, we got a supply line up there. Yeah, here comes a decent pullback here now. Shit. We gotta gun it before it breaks that fucking low. Wow, brother.
I think I'm gonna go ahead and put a stop in on Amazon right here, because I don't want to give back none of this that I really made today. So I would put in a 10-cent stop on the option contract. Still trying to push. Yeah, and see, NQ gave up that area I wanted it to hold, so
Yeah, I just missed the
that's
breakdown.
gonna go long from now on. Let's get through this 19. Come on, or 99, I should say. There's a lot of sellers at 119.99 on Amazon. Every time it gets there, a big old like 50 position. That's 50,000 shares that comes in at 119.99. That's keeping this from breaking.
Shit, they moving into the 5-minute money zone.
Wow. A 1,600 lot order at 120. That's huge. If it gets through that, Amazon off to the races. It's at 1,600 now. There go another big one. It's a refresh. It's a refresh seller that talks about. That Vega talks about. Every time it gets to 120, like this dude sitting on 1,600 shares or 16,000 shares. You got to add 2 zeros to that. If this cracks 120, it's over. If this cracks there it go. There it go. There it go. Now just keep going. I can't believe it cracked through that huge seller.
That was a spoof, bro. This market ain't stopping.
Nah, let me see. It's a 5,000 share order, 2,000. No, that was a real order. 34,800 shares. That was a real order. Yeah, they got through him.
120.14.
I'm green. I'm green on this trade. I cannot believe that. Imagine you bought this contract at 3 cents this morning.
Bro, it was 1,000% more than that.
Yeah, but I like being able to use, this might be something now, especially for trades like this. Reading the level 2 and reading the time and sales. Because like how you thought it was a spoof order, all I had to do was look over there at time and sales and no, it was a huge order sitting there.
Oh, this is crazy.
Man, I'm actually green good on this trade. Wow. I'm putting a stop in to lock in profit at this point.
$5.50.
Locking in profit. I can't let this come back out and tag me. I gotta lock that profit in.
Yo, you in it?
Absolutely bonkers.
You in the short?
It was up 20, it dropped to 10.
Gotcha. Yeah, I mean, you got to watch that 5-minute money zone. That's your only the only thing that can stop this trade right now. And then I don't think it's worth leaving until you break the highs, but you would be looking at a double top instead of a V-shaped pullback.
Man, check out Amazon when you get a chance, Spark.
Yeah, I'm watching with you. What you say now, bro?
Your chart.
Dang. Oh, wow.
My bad, I can't hear you. You look good. You look good right now. The 5-minute looks like they're about to cave through it. And if we do that, we're going to...
Don't we say with the supply lines, the target's the bottom Bollinger Band or what?
Say again?
Those supply lines, the target's the bottom Bollinger Band.
Yeah, on a 15-minute, if you get that supply line, the reversal trade, the target is the bottom of the 5-minute Bollinger Band. So 417 looks like a possible move. But when you get that to that 15-minute money zone, expect some bullshit to happen because it's pretty close to that supply line. But you should get a slip.
5 minute?
Yes, bottom of the 5. You should see a slip though. This shit should move fast.
Oh, this is incredible. This is incredible.
This sucks ass, bro.
This thing that it's up to 121 now.
I told you you're gonna see a pop once you're in the money.
No, I'm talking about the stock is at 121.
Oh wow, you should see a major pop then. You out?
No, I'm chasing it.
Yeah, you
I'm
chase
just
that.
locking in profit.
I don't blame you. Chase that shit.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna probably top out right here. I
The
got
bottom of your Bollinger Band.
What?
What did you say was the bottom of your BB band?
The Bollinger Band starts at 417.45 to about 416.22.
Then we also got that line from, and right before that.
417.93.
Barely see.
Man, I can't believe a big cap is letting. There's people getting that. They getting squeezed the hell out.
Damn right. New supply, new demand is right here. New supply lines are right there, guys.
Top out.
We still got demand. Good trade, bro.
Wow. I thought it was. It came down and didn't tap me.
Oh, TOS, go. Yo.
There it is. I'm out now.
Nice. Here we go. Here we
Amazing.
go. Yeah,
That was amazing.
we catching this reversal right here.
That was amazing.
You should be up nice. I'm only up 6%. I took a cheap con.
I'm up 33%. I'm taking one off the table.
Copy.
With y'all in SPX.
Shorts, yeah.
I'm trading SPX for a month.
So that's
If you, in taxes, if you day trade,
Mm-hmm.
you trade, you can take a loss, and again, the same security in 30 days, you can't get that off.
Yeah, that wash rule.
rule. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, whatever. I took a $300 L. I'm like, fuck it. Why not write that off?
Okay.
there goes that pullback that I could not really stomach on this trade.
Man, today turned out to be a bona fide good day.
Look at that
And
bounce.
5 minute money zone, right?
But you're not
They got through it and then they bounced, but I think that's just like irregular, kind of bounce. Unless this shit comes in and double tops.
I got them both out.
All right, that pushed me up over my day right there. I'm up 123 in this account. All right, and look at that big flush back down. So that was a smart trail.
Oh, look at that bounce.
Let me go pick up some shirts.
No, fuck that. Y'all not gonna do this to me.
Leave early today.
They're going to double top.
Double top.
They're gonna double top.
Talking about double top.